And welcome back, guys. So last time we had work on the exhaust manifold. Now that's fixed up. We had to machine some parts as well. So the air intake, we got that mounted, and we got the suspension all replaced and fixed. So now the ride is way smoother. All right, let's see what we got next.
Mount for the battery, so the battery doesn't rattle around when I'm mobbing around. Honestly, probably should have thought about this before I painted it, but that's okay, whatever. So basically, I'm just sanding all this shit out of here. I covered it with this rubberized coating. Sanding this piece of steel all down. That I'm gonna mount right here, like this. And I'll probably give it a little room, so that way you can slide the battery in and out. But I'm thinking about doing another one right here, so that way the battery still doesn't want to come out this way, since I'm not doing this super duper tight and pushing it against another little bracket that comes OEM back there. I got another little piece of steel that I'm thinking about doing right here as well. It's probably see you guys hang out with me while alright, I'm gonna start welding on this trunk part. Like I said, I'm gonna weld this bar onto here, and I think that should be good enough to hold it in there. Should be good. Get my gloves on, get my mask on, and we'll get it cracking. Alright. Alright, well, it's definitely not the prettiest, but it'll get the job done. Drill the hole in this little piece for enough for a 10 millimeter, and then I just bolted that straight into the body. The battery can't come out if it wants to. That way the battery will stay in there, and I'm pretty sure you need it for safety and emissions, so better safe than sorry. We're gonna work on the wiring harness, and I do think it might just be due to a bad connection, a dirty connector in between the male and the female parts of the harness. I'll kind of show you guys what I'm talking about. So like I said, I have the whole dash taken out, most of the wiring harness taken apart. I'm just basically taking off this tape so that way I can split these up. I'm not trying to splice in anything or nothing like that. I don't want to get in any trouble like that. I heard electrical in cars is the worst part, so hopefully get this figured out today and get the gauges all working and stuff. That would be awesome. So I did get everything plugged in before I had the dash in as well, and I actually got the RPM meter to work out. We'll see what happens. Hopefully I get it done today. So yeah, I just spray canned everything out, dust blaster. Hopefully I can get better connection. But oh, I'm so stupid. I didn't put the grounds in. And I did read some stuff. It didn't seem like the electrical was ever a huge problem on Miatas, at least not that I saw. You know, most stuff I saw was just like, check your grounds. So I did. I sanded down the... That's why none of this shit's working. So stupid. Alright, be right back with you. I'll put those on. I got everything plugged in, so let's go plug in the battery. Alright, let's get the keys and start her up. Let's go ahead and give her a rip, Tater Chip. Nice. Nice. So we got oil pressure, which is good. We have RPMs now, which is good. Still no gas. I need to figure out why that's not working. Everything else though should be good. The gas thing stayed on, it's a little weird. Blinkers are working. Left blinker doesn't work when the lights are on, running lights are on, or when the regular lights are on. Right blinker does. So much easier with the steering wheel off. Nice. Sweet. So when my blinker's on, the oil thing is going crazy. Alright, here we go, round 2. No whammies. Gas seems to still be working, or slowly going down. Who knows? Oil pressure is good. And no thermostat this time. RPMs are working though, that was the biggest thing. Sweet. Looks kind of like a car again, huh? Now time to just put back on the steering wheel and we should be good.
For screws?
But I don't think the gas. Oh!
Yeah.
Let's see the fan. Yeah, hot enough.
Alright guys, so thanks for watching. That is it for this week's Miata build. Tune in next week. We are going to be showing you guys how to do the pop-up lights that are classic on Miata vehicles. Taylor's going to walk you through how he got his installed, all the connections. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Tell us how you're doing in the comments, and keep watching. Come support Taylor and I.